Today we're going to be unboxing the LG soundbar SK1. Alright, so we open up the box, and this is what we see. Just some styrofoam packing it in, which should lift right out. Not too much to it. Dipped up. Bam. So next we're going to pull out the remote. And slip it right out of there. So we got volume, of course, port, Bluetooth, whatever standard means, mute, bass blast, that's gonna be fun. That's a future me problem. There are batteries in it. Nope, batteries are in the instructions. That's a future me problem. So next, pull out the speaker itself. Soundbar, excuse me. So, here's the cord, it's already attached. So let's go ahead and pull off this here packing foam. Okay, so it's got a regular port in, USB, got a regular port in there, USB, and optical audio. Then this cord's just built into it, which is nice. And a little bit farther in, looks like it has instruction manual, which we're not going to read, of course. All important batteries, and a digital optical cable it came with, which I'm not going to use because it looks thin and skimpy, and I have this one that I bought specifically for this purpose. Wow, that is just basic. You know, they could have at least put something in there, but this, it is the cheapest thing they could have possibly done. Outside of literally just giving you a piece of copper. But since this is digital optical, I'm assuming it's fiber optic or of some sort. So, well, we'll see. Yeah, put this somewhere so I don't lose it. Don't have many of those. Okay. Let's go ahead and get the batteries in the remote just for funsies. Proceeds to struggle to open a battery, as one does. Let's see. So we got some Chinesian brand Daily Max, hardly feels like a battery. Lightest thing ever, I almost bet it's made out of cardboard. My gosh, these are barely batteries. What do you even call these things? Barely feel in my hand, feel like a little tube of soup. It's lighter than this tube of super glue. Well, if they work and don't blow up like I think they're gonna blow up. Anywho. Okay, it works. Let's go ahead and get this cord unwrapped. And plug it in. So we're gonna go ahead and grab a flashlight so you guys can see a little better. So you're gonna want to take the cap off. Stick it on in there. As you do. So, now realizing this is 100% going to block the IR detector for my regular TV. Or you know what? Maybe it won't. Flush. Yeah. So we're going to have to figure out something with that. Is there a mount? Can I mount it somehow? Well, I'll figure that out later. And I'll show you guys a picture on my Instagram. But, just gonna bring this under the television. And get it some of the juice. Some angry pixies. Some electric dust. Let's go. And let's see if she powers up. There she is. Little red light there. So we're going to start with the TV sound on its own. Let's go ahead and switch over to the sound bar now. Optical. And okay, I'd say LG's cheapest soundbar is a definite win. They've done a good job. And it's about as good as my old one. Maybe a little bit better. You can pick up this soundbar on Black Friday for, oh, I think I got it for $69.99. Normally it's about $100. So, have fun.